MRO. 3 small letters, one huge industry. The world of maintenance, repair and overhaul is a universe of intricate networks, from raw materials to finished components. Between tools, instruments and services, MRO is an industry constantly in evolution, teeming with opportunities and possibility. The vast macrocosm of MRO includes everything from preventive maintenance to predictive and corrective maintenance, and even smart maintenance. The extensive nature of each of these subsectors often means a supplier has to cover not just a myriad of various products, but also a medley of services. Only a strong network of industry professionals with a solid background of different types of expertise built over years of experience can provide the full extent of coverage required in any of these given fields. RS Pro, a global brand within the network of electro-components, has this very network. Through our sister companies, RS Components and Allied Electronics and Automation, we have the resources, products and services to meet every single need. Across all industries, always. Because maintenance matters.